Welcome to our surrender session, a transformative journey of letting go. Surrender sessions are a sacred space where we release the battle with our inner world. The feelings, emotions, thoughts, and imagery that often fuel stress and anxiety. Here, there's no need for action. Your only task is to intend to let go. As you settle into comfort, take a few deep breaths and begin the process of letting go. My words will come and go, so release any expectations about their speed or pace. Now, surrender to this very moment, shedding all preconceived notions and to-do lists. Remember to keep your attention on your breath, your anchor in this journey. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, release any tension. Let each breath be a reminder that you're surrendering, letting go, and allowing yourself to be in this present moment. As you focus on your breath, don't attempt to change it. Simply observe it as if you're a witness to your own breathing pattern. Your unconscious mind may try to alter your breathing or seek answers, but gently bring your focus back to your breath. It's your constant companion during this session. Shift your attention to an uncomfortable sensation in your body, linked to an emotion. Perhaps anger, anxiety, fear, or grief. Identify its location and just watch it. Be the witness of the feeling, all while maintaining a mindful awareness of your breath. As you observe, your mind may strive to prompt you into action, but you're no longer playing that game. You're simply letting it be. Your breath is your guide, reminding you to surrender. Visualize this moment as a tug of war you've been engaged in for weeks, months, or years. Today, instead of fighting it, let go of the rope and surrender wholly to the feeling. Acknowledge that it's merely energy, uncomfortable energy in your body, and continue to witness it. Your breath remains your constant companion, a reminder to stay present. Recognize that this surrender feels different, and different is good today. Each breath in and out is an affirmation of your commitment to letting go. Keep letting go. You're not releasing the uncomfortable energy itself, just the urge to change it. You're merely watching and allowing it to do as it pleases, while your breath keeps you grounded. Whether the feeling grows stronger or weaker, shifts location, or does anything at all, it's all acceptable. Just keep surrendering, always anchored by your breath. Your mind may judge this session or attempt to label things again, but you choose not to be led by it anymore. Your breath is your guide, your reminder to stay in this moment. Now, go deeper. Imagine stepping back and observing your body as it experiences the feeling. No judgment, just observation. Your breath remains your unwavering ally. You've surrendered all outcomes, control, and the need for certainty. Let go completely, guided by each breath. Let the energy flow through your body and out when it desires, without your interference. Breathe in and out, surrendering with each breath. If any part of your body feels tense, simply let go. Embrace the feeling of release as your friend, always mindful of your breath. Remember, it's just an uncomfortable energy. No more fighting, changing, or seeking answers. Your breath is your reminder to stay in the present. Observe any shifts in the feeling and accept them, no matter what the uncomfortable energy does. Breathe in acceptance. Breathe out surrender. Breathe in acceptance. Breathe out surrender. Breathe in acceptance. Breathe out surrender. You are the witness, no longer the reactor. It's safe to let go, to put the rope down, and give up the fight. Trust in non-doing, guided by your breath. As we near the end of this session, trust your intuition. If you wish to start over or continue, that's fine. If you prefer to end it here, open your eyes, always aware of your breath. Well done.